Hey! You know what that is?
Shoes.
Slippers!
They keep the toes warm.
Yay,
What's on the slippers?
toes.
Can you put them on?
Put them on? Grandpa will help you. You need the scissors.
Smells like we got a little stinker in there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's right. It's sharp, Grandpa. Be careful. You're going to need it again anyways. Actually, don't take those off. Let's make sure they actually fit.
Lincoln, can you put them on?
Go on your feet. You're going to have monkey feet.
Let me see them.
Other foot.
Cute. Is your foot stuck?
Stop, he says.
Grandpa got too big of fingers.
Got it. Let's see them. Come
Let's
see.
see. Can you run in them?
Let's see.
Can you run? Oh, cute.
Do they fit good, Mom? Will you feel his toes? They feel
His
fit him good?
vocabulary is really good.
That is awesome.
It just doesn't have the sentence structure yet.
You want it off? You want to take those tags off? Like, Grandpa will
We'll
help
show
you.
Mama. Link. And then we'll take the tags off. Were they big enough?
Look like it.
You're all done?